Looking for the best printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125D. If you run a small office or a busy home workspace, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9125D gives you the speed, reliability, and polish your day demands. You'll print professional quality color. Think presentations, brochures, and client handouts at up to 18 pages per minute in color and 22 pages per minute in black, so deadlines don't derail you. HP's AI-assisted printing keeps web pages and emails tidy by stripping out headers, ads, and awkward breaks, helping you save paper and get documents that look the way you intended. You get the essentials for modern workflows: fast color printing, copy, fax, automatic two-sided printing and scanning, and a 250-sheet input tray that cuts back on refills. The 2.7-inch touchscreen makes setup and everyday tasks straightforward, while the auto document feeder streamlines multi-page scans into searchable, shareable files. Connectivity is flexible and dependable. Plug in via Ethernet or USB, or go wireless with dual-band Wi-Fi that actively detects and resolves common dropouts, so your team can print from laptops, tablets, and phones without babysitting the network. For mixed media needs, the inkjet engine delivers crisp text alongside vibrant color graphics, all from a compact 20.5 pounds unit finished in a clean cement tone that fits most office aesthetics. Choose the OfficeJet Pro 9125E if you want enterprise-style features without enterprise complexity, fast output, smart cleanup of online prints, and rock-solid connections that keep your day moving. Number 2. Brother HL-L2395DW. If you want fast, fuss-free documents every day, the Brother HL-2395DW delivers the monochrome laser performance your home office or small team can count on. You'll pump out sharp text at up to 36 pages per minute with automatic two-sided printing to cut paper use without extra steps. A 250-sheet tray handles both letter and legal sizes, so you spend less time refilling and more time finishing the work that matters. You're not just printing, you're streamlining tasks. The flatbed scan glass makes quick work of IDs, forms, and bound pages, while the 2.7-inch color touchscreen lets you copy, scan to email, and connect to popular cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, Evernote, and OneNote right from the panel. Need to print from a phone or laptop? Built-in Wi-Fi supports AirPrint, Mopria, and Brother, and Scan. And you can always plug in via USB or use your wired network. The device is fully network-ready. Setup is straightforward and everyday use stays simple thanks to clear menus and reliable paper handling. At 22.7 pounds, it's sturdy without dominating your desk. Whether you're producing invoices, lecture notes, shipping labels, or long drafts, the HL-L2395DW focuses on what monochrome lasers do best: crisp output, speed, and low maintenance. Choose this Brother if you want a dependable black and white workhorse with auto duplex, flatbed scanning, cloud shortcuts, and flexible connectivity that keeps you moving from first print to final scan. And finally, the Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2850. If you're done burning money on tiny cartridges, the Epson EcoTank ET2850 makes home printing simple and affordable. You fill high-capacity refillable tanks with EcoFit bottles. Each full set replaces about 80 individual cartridges, so you print more and spend far less. Expect up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 in color from replacement bottles with savings up to 90% versus traditional cartridges. Many households won't need more ink for up to 2 years, cutting those out of ink interruptions to nearly zero. You'll get dependable quality, too. Epson's micro piezo heat-free technology and pigment black ink deliver crisp laser-like text, while dialers produce vibrant photos and graphics on everyday paper. For routines that pile up, auto two-sided printing saves paper without extra steps. And the built-in flatbed scanner and copier make quick work of forms, IDs, and schoolwork. Setup and sharing are easy. Connect via Wi-Fi to print from laptops, tablets, and phones, or plug in with USB for a direct PC link. At about 16 pounds with a clean white finish, it fits comfortably on a desk or shelf, and the front ink windows let you see levels at a glance. No surprises. Choose the EcoTank ET2850 if you want cartridge-free convenience, dramatic ink savings, sharp text, and everyday features like auto-duplexing and an integrated scanner. Everything you need for stress-free home printing. Number 4. Canon PIXMA G6020 MegaTank. If you want to cut ink costs without cutting quality, the Canon PIXMA G6020 MegaTank is built for your workload. Its refillable ink tanks deliver standout value. Up to 6,000 black and white pages or 7,700 color pages from a single set of bottles, so you print more assignments, reports, and flyers with far fewer refills. You'll see crisp text and vibrant color from Canon's inkjet engine with speeds up to 13 pages per minute in black and 6.88 pages per minute in color to keep everyday tasks moving. Day-to-day use stays simple. The two-line LCD shows status and settings at a glance, and automatic two-sided printing helps you save paper without extra taps. Front-facing transparent tanks make it easy to check levels, so you're never surprised by an empty cartridge. At 17.8 pounds, the G6020 fits comfortably on a desk or shelf while offering the capacity and durability a busy home or small office needs. Connectivity is flexible. Plug in via USB for a dependable single PC setup or go wireless to print from laptops, tablets, and phones around your space. Whether you're handling color handouts or long black and white drafts, you get steady output and excellent cost per page. Choose the PIXMA G6020 if you want refillable ink economy, automatic duplex convenience, and straightforward controls that help you stay productive. Every print job, every day. Number 5. BrotherWorks Smart MFCJ1360DW. If you want a budget-friendly printer that actually helps you stay on top of home and home office tasks, the BrotherWorks Smart MFCJ1360DW is a smart fit. You can print, copy, and scan from one compact inkjet that turns out crisp text and vibrant color. Ideal for invoices, homework, recipes, and photo-rich handouts. It keeps pace with everyday workloads at up to 16 pages per minute in black and 9 pages per minute in color, so you're not stuck waiting on a queue. You get practical time savers built in. Automatic duplex printing to reduce paper use, a 20-sheet single-sided automatic document feeder for quick scan or copy batches, and a 150-sheet paper tray that cuts down on refills. The simple one. 8-in-color display makes walk-up tasks easy, including printing from and scanning to popular cloud apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive. No extra detours on your computer required. Setup is flexible. Connect over Wi-Fi to share the printer across your household or plug in via USB for a direct dependable link to a single PC. At 16.8 pounds with a clean black finish, it fits neatly on a desk or shelf, and its Energy Star certification helps keep power use sensible. Choose the MFCJ1360DW if you want an affordable all-in-one that delivers reliable color output, true set and forget duplexing, cloud convenience, and straightforward controls that help you get more done with less effort. Up next in 4th place is the